Welcome! Today, I'm going to show you how to add a WhatsApp link directly to your Instagram bio using the latest update. This is a fantastic way to make it easier for your followers, friends, or customers to reach you instantly through WhatsApp, right from your Instagram profile. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Once you're logged in, head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, look for the Edit Profile button and tap on it. In the Edit Profile menu, you'll see several options. Find and tap on Links. This is where you can manage all the links you want to showcase in your bio. Next, tap on Add WhatsApp Link. This will prompt you to enter your WhatsApp phone number. Make sure to enter the phone number that is linked to your WhatsApp account. Double-check the country code and the number itself to avoid any mistakes. Once you've entered your number, tap Next. Instagram will then generate a unique WhatsApp link for you. After the link is generated, simply tap Done to save it to your bio. Now, when anyone visits your Instagram profile, they will see the WhatsApp link and can tap it to start a chat with you instantly. Adding a WhatsApp link to your Instagram bio is a smart way to boost your communication, whether you're a business owner, influencer, or just want to stay connected with friends. It's quick, easy, and makes your profile much more interactive. That's all there is to it. Just follow these simple steps, and you'll have your WhatsApp link up and running in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back for more useful tips and updates.